Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this YouTube channel basically talks about Facebook ads, Instagram ads, advertising. Generally, we talk about how you can use advertising platforms or social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to improve your sales and grow your business. So, if you're a new person that is just watching this YouTube video or you're just on this YouTube channel for the very first time, thank you so much for coming here, and I hope you subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and comment. Now, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to watch valuable videos like this one that you're about to watch right now. Now, in this video, what we want to talk about basically is talk about an issue that a lot of people are starting to have right now with connecting their Facebook page to their Instagram page. So usually this is not a big deal. What you do is just to go on Instagram, connect your Facebook page to your Instagram page. But a lot of people are finding it difficult to do that. And I think I have something that will be, I have a solution to this issue, right? So let me first of all explain how you do it normally. Now, what you do normally is to go on your Instagram. I'm sure you can see my screen right about now, right? I'm sure you can see my screen. So what you do normally is to go on Instagram and then you click edit profile and then you come down to where it says page, right? If your page is not added, what you do is you just click connect page, right? So that's the normal thing that you do. But this does not work. Now, my own page is already there already, so that's why you're seeing the name there. But if you're not seeing the name there, it means it's not connected. Now, if you try to follow this step, it sometimes does not work. It's telling you you have created too many pages, or it's telling you you cannot create page at this time, or it's just giving you an error. It's not working. Now, here's what you need to do. What you need to do is to come on your on your Facebook Ads Manager. We all know the Facebook Ads Manager. Just go to business. Now, you have to do this on your laptop. Let me say that quickly, that you have to do this on a laptop. So go to business.facebook.com, right? You will see a page like this, like what you're seeing right now. The next thing to do is to click All Tools, right? Click All Tools. Now, when you click All Tools, it opens and then you can go to Ads Manager. Now, when you go to Ads Manager, you see a page like this, right? You see a page like this when you go to Ads Manager. Now, come down here again, click All Tools here, and then go to Business Settings. Now, when you go to Business Settings, you see a page like this. Sometimes it might ask you to choose, select a business, and then you select the business and, you know, and you do all those things, right? Now, when you are here, come to Instagram account. Under account here, come to Instagram account. What you are supposed to do is to click add, then you click connect your Instagram account. Then it tells you to log in your Instagram account, right? It tells you to log in your Instagram account. So what you do is that you log in that Instagram account, that your Instagram account that you're trying to add, trying to connect to a Facebook page, you just log it in, right? Once you're done logging that account in, it is going to load automatically and appear like this. Once that account is loaded, then you now come back to your Instagram page, go back to your Instagram page, go back to your profile again, go back to edit profile, then come down to page. Now, when you come down to page, click on it, right? And then you now connect page. So when you connect page, you select your Facebook page that you had already created. You must have already created your Facebook page. Okay? So you select that Facebook page. Once that Facebook page is selected, it will connect immediately because you have come to your ads manager or your business settings to already add the Instagram account. So you've already added the Instagram account on your business settings, which I showed you earlier. So once you've done that, automatically it's going to connect to that Facebook page from your Instagram. It is very simple. Now, sometimes when you're trying to connect it, it might ask you to log into your Facebook account. Please log into your Facebook account and do the right thing. It's that simple. It is that simple. Okay, so do this. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if it works for you, but I'm very certain that it's going to work for you. So go ahead and do this on your own. Connect your Facebook account, your Facebook page rather, to your Instagram page. All right, go ahead and do that and let me know if it works for you in the comment section. Thank you so much. If you have watched the video thus far, please help me subscribe, leave a comment, like, share the video with somebody, and I really would appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you've gotten value from it. And I'll see you in another video.